Imagine making $1,000 every single day from the comfort of your home without needing any experience or upfront investment. Sounds impossible, right? Well, it's not. This is how you can start earning with DeepSeek AI today without spending a dime. Most people think making money online requires huge investments, advanced digital marketing skills, or years of experience. But what if you could bypass all of that? DeepSeek AI is designed to help you identify high-income opportunities automatically. In this video, I'll show you exactly how it works, break down step-by-step methods you can use, and give you real-world examples of people making serious money with this tool. So stick around, because this could change everything for you. Let's talk about the biggest myth that stops people from making money online. Most think you need massive startup costs, advanced digital skills, or years of experience. But that's simply not true. DeepSeek AI eliminates those barriers by using powerful machine learning to help you find profitable opportunities. Whether it's content creation, affiliate marketing, or spotting trends before they go viral, this AI tool does the hard work for you. In this section, I'll break down how DeepSeek AI works, why it's so powerful, and how you can start leveraging it today without needing any technical expertise. DeepSeek AI is not just another tool, it's your personal business assistant that works around the clock. Here's how it works. It analyzes online trends, market demand, and consumer behavior to spot profitable opportunities before they become oversaturated. It helps you create content, identify high-demand products, and even automate passive income streams with little effort. It simplifies the entire process, so even if you have zero experience, you can start seeing results fast. Now, let's dive deeper into exactly how you can use DeepSeek AI to generate income online and make it work for you. Now, let's get into the real money-making strategies. With DeepSeek AI, you can unlock multiple streams of income, even if you're starting from scratch. Here's how: freelancing and AI-powered gigs. Use DeepSeek to find high-demand freelance services like AI content creation, automation setups, or even AI-generated designs. Businesses pay top dollar for these services, and you can get started today. Affiliate marketing. DeepSeek identifies trending products and services people are searching for. You can create content around them and earn commissions for every sale made through your links. Digital products and AI tools. The AI can help you discover in-demand digital products like templates, guides, or AI-generated art that you can sell with zero overhead costs. This is just the beginning. Let's break down each strategy so you can see exactly how to get started. Let's break down these income streams further so you can start making money right away. Freelancing and AI services. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr have clients actively searching for AI-powered services. With DeepSeek, you can find niche opportunities that pay well, such as AI-generated writing, video editing, or chatbot automation. No experience needed, just plug in what DeepSeek finds and start offering services today. Affiliate marketing in action. Say DeepSeek spots a trending AI tool or a software people are searching for. You can create a blog post, YouTube video, or even social media content recommending it and earn commissions whenever someone signs up using your link. It's a proven method that works even while you sleep. Selling digital products, AI-generated templates, business guides, and niche-specific content are selling like crazy. DeepSeek helps you find what's in demand, so you can package and sell digital products with zero shipping costs or inventory. These are simple, low-risk ways to start making money today. Now, let's talk about scaling up to hit $1,000 per day.
Scaling up to $1,000 per day is absolutely possible, and DeepSeek AI makes it easier. Here's how to take your earnings to the next level. Instead of doing everything manually, use AI to streamline tasks. For example, automate content creation, schedule social media posts, or even set up AI-powered chatbots to generate passive income while you sleep. If you start freelancing with AI services, scale by outsourcing smaller tasks to others. DeepSeek can identify high-demand niches so you can build a full-fledged agency. The real secret to sustainable income is consistency. Use DeepSeek to track trends and continuously create valuable content, whether it's YouTube videos, blog posts, or social media content that attracts organic traffic and monetization. This is how top earners leverage AI to scale. Now, let's wrap up with the final steps you need to take action today. If you're ready to start making money with DeepSeek AI, don't wait. Take action now. Click the link below to get started with DeepSeek AI today. Subscribe for more powerful strategies on building online income. Drop a comment if you have any questions. I'm here to help. Your journey to financial freedom starts today. Let's make it happen.